Welcome to BizGuide Vegas, your one-stop guide to doing business in Las Vegas. Today, we're going to learn how to make money on YouTube for your Las Vegas business. As you may have already known, a lot of people make money off of YouTube due to the valuable content that's creatively done, resulting to a large number of views, subscribers, and loyal followers. The sheer volume of viewers opens doors for businesses and companies to monetize their content through ads and sponsorships. In case you're wondering why the title talks about monetizing YouTube contents for a Las Vegas business, you may go ahead and read through the article about why Nevada is the best place to start your business. While YouTube is a well-known site for YouTubers that provide content for educational and entertainment purposes for YouTube enthusiasts, the platform now has become a vital component in business and marketing. Some of the good reasons that might encourage you to learn how to make money on YouTube for your Las Vegas business includes the fact that YouTube is the world's most visited site, second only to Google, and can be viewed in more than 91 countries with over 1.9 billion active users per month. Moreover, search for how-to videos are growing at 70% rate every year with about 400 tweets per minute that are linked to a YouTube video. In addition, YouTube is valued over $100 billion by Wall Street analysts with about $15 billion in annual revenue, and a YouTuber has earned an amount of $22 million in 2018. To start making money on the YouTube channel for your business, the first thing that you need to do is create a YouTube account. Creating your YouTube account is easy. Simply sign up for a Google account and you will automatically have an access to YouTube where you can create your own channel. Assuming that you already have a Google account and you are logged in, simply open a new tab and on the address bar, type www.youtube.com. and hit enter. You will notice that a profile pic for my account is visible since I'm already logged in on my Google account. In order to create a YouTube channel, click in your profile pic and on the list of options in the drop-down menu, click Your Channel. You'll be directed to a screen that is similar to what you're looking at, and from here, click Create Channel and follow the prompts while providing the necessary information in creating your channel on YouTube. Another way to create your YouTube channel once you're logged in on your account is to access the settings located on the left side of the window at the home page. You will be directed to a page similar to what you're looking at. On the available options located on the left side, click Advanced Settings. Notice that on the main screen, under the section for account information, it indicates you don't currently have a channel. To create one, click Create a Channel and follow the step-by-step instructions provided. Make sure that your username is easy to remember and add keywords that are relevant to the contents of your brand. Now that you've successfully created a YouTube channel for your business, the next step is for you to customize your channel settings. Customizing your channel settings involve different processes that include all of the following steps. For detailed instructions regarding each step, you may do a right-click and open link in New tab. The next step is to create content. Creating unique and high-quality videos to produce helpful and valuable content for your audience will ensure your success of increasing the number of subscribers to your channel and establish loyal followers. For more information and assistance on this topic, you may click on these links. The fourth step in starting a YouTube channel to make money for your business is building an audience. In line with the previous step, make sure to provide value in your content and be consistent about it. See to it that your audience would have something to look forward to by having a regular schedule in uploading your new videos. Remember, loyal customers patronize a service or a product because of the value that they get from your content. The fifth step in creating content for your business that generates income is making sure that you meet the minimum requirements. In order to monetize your content, your channel should have a total of 4,000 watched hours in a span of 12 months and should have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. To learn more about other ways to learn money on YouTube, click on this link. Talking about making money, the next step is to monetize your channel. To make money out of the contents on your channel, join the YouTube Partner Program by agreeing to its terms and conditions. You may also sign up to activate your Google AdSense account. AdSense is an advertising program by Google where website owners, publishers, and content creators can embed a code for Google to provide ads that are relevant to your content and have it monetized. Click here for more info on monetizing your content. The next step in making sure that your channel is in position to generate income is checking analytics. Integrating your AdSense account with Google Analytics provides information about your website and how it performs. Make sure to sign up for an analytics account. You may do a right-click and open link in New tab for detailed information on how to integrate AdSense with Google Analytics. Given that you have taken all of the steps from creating and customizing your YouTube channel, creating content, as well as linking AdSense to your Google Analytics account, the second to the last step in monetizing the YouTube channel for your business is to promote your videos. By actively promoting your content on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as the website for your business, you are positioning yourself to connect to a wider audience. Be sure to use the same name on your social media accounts as your YouTube channel. Doing so would make it easy for people to find you, and it would be helpful if you're running ads on those channels for people to view on your videos. The last step that you need to remember in creating YouTube videos for your Las Vegas business and make money is making sure to engage with your subscribers. Engaging with your subscribers builds connection that will create loyalty and gain their support. See to it that you take the time to acknowledge and respond to their messages. Involve them in creating your content by asking suggestions and schedule meetups with your subscribers. While creating useful and helpful content is important, going an extra mile to add a personal touch to your channel would definitely go a long way. Thank you for watching our BizGuide video on how to make money on YouTube for your Las Vegas business. Should you have any questions about how to start your business in the state of Nevada, do type them in the comments below. If you like what you're learning from our channel, do click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content from BizGuide Vegas.